Stop by and take a look at the 2014 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.